Welcome to 807 Elk Street South in Elkton, South Dakota. But before we explore this home's customizable potential, let's discover what makes this property a haven for workshop and hobby enthusiasts like you maybe. Convenience meets versatility with an oversized attached 2-stall garage and a heated 3-stall pole building, expanding your possibilities for storage, hobbies, and much, much more. Step inside and envision the potential to craft your ideal living space. With a classic layout awaiting your personal touch, this home is ripe for updates and repairs to suit your lifestyle. Open floor plan with the kitchen, dining room, and living room. Check out the roomy bedrooms and large full bathroom, all waiting for your personal touches. Your finishing touches awaits in the lower level as an open canvas to craft your ideal living space and embrace the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Conveniently located within reach of amenities, recreational opportunities, and just 20 miles from Brookings, South Dakota, here's your chance to unlock the potential and embrace the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Contact one of the Brookings Home Team agents for more information, or just go to brookingshometeam.com. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to follow us on all our other social media platforms. Hope to see you soon. Bye now.